Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Amiibo. So you go straight down to settings, system settings, and then you go all the way down till you see this icon, Amiibo. You'll see it right there. And then you go across and you reset, and then I need to connect my controller obviously because it's not really connected. There we go. Reset Amiibo. You see, I got this Wario off someone else, so that's the one I'm going to be demonstrating on. And I want to reset it. So I would click the A button. It'll say you will not be able to restore data once the Amiibo has been reset. Do you want to continue? And obviously you would click reset if that's what you're trying to do. Luckily there's a back button if you accidentally click it. And then look, reset complete. And that is how you reset your Amiibo. Peace out, let's roll the outro.